Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with more happy mail. The next few days I'll be showing the last entries that I received for my Christmas challenge giveaway. It is officially closed and I will be picking the winner on December 15th. We're gonna have two winners. So this next entry comes from a new crafty friend. Her name is Mary Ellen, and it's Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. Look at this gorgeous Frosty the Snowman card. Oh my gosh. Again, guys, this theme, we have a Frosty Snowman theme at our house. So this is amazing. I'm going to add this to my December daily. Thank you so much, Mary Ellen. And then let me open it up and see what her note says. It says, "Hi, Kara. May the joys of the season bring you happiness. Hugs, Mary Ellen." Her YouTube channel is Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. So thank you very much. I will link her channel down below. Let's see what she had sent. Oh my gosh. So first up, she had made a little snowman memory decks card. How adorable is that image? And underneath you can see that there is some sheer, like tulle fabric over there. I love this. It has like faux stitching. Let me read the back. Here it is. It says Merry Christmas. It shows her YouTube channel. And one of the things I had asked is if you could share a Christmas tradition. And her favorite Christmas tradition is enjoying breakfast, Christmas breakfast with the family. Oh, that's so fun. I love that too. And then we, sit around and just enjoy the day. We do the same thing at home here and then open presents. So that is so beautiful. And in addition, she also made me a Christmas-themed ATC card with Frosty the Snowman. Love this die cut. That is too cute. Let me see if there's some information in the back. It says the same thing for her YouTube channel. She does have an Instagram. It says Mary Ellen 14. Her favorite color is purple. And she likes creek cut, camping, and reading. Super awesome. Again, thank you so much, Mary Ellen, and good luck. Thanks so much again for supporting my Christmas challenge. And I'm excited to learn more about you through your channel. Here again is a beautiful memory decks card and ATC that she made. Thanks so much, guys. If you'd like to see everyone's entries, I will link the giveaway playlist right here. Thanks again for watching. Bye.